Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G32. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap more, agree, next, not now, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.